base, good afternoon. Yeah, it's almost 4. And yeah, we just got back from our road trip in the desert near the airport because we saw some, lake in the map, and my hubby said, let's go and check that area. I think it's prohibited to go, but the road is open though. Maybe some people are going there from time to time. But yeah, today is very empty. Today is Friday, so there's not much people in the road, and maybe they're still on vacation. And we're gonna start the vlog. Anyway, that trip will be a separate vlog because I think it's a little long, and yeah, it's just separate vlog. So I have here pork spare ribs. I thawed it before we leave, and this is what I'm gonna prepare now. This will take less than 3 hours, maybe two something. But yeah, this is what I'm going to cook. Look at that, but I have to remove the membranes, the extra membranes like that. So let's do this. Also finishing my ice cold coffee. And by the way, I just uploaded this noon the first vlog, which is the vlog 001. I'm starting over again, guys. I feel like, I'm back to zero because I have rested. I cut the consistency that I used to do this, do that, but then I don't know, it's just me, I guess. But no, this is not gonna work, so I will be consistently vlogging again, so we'll see. Non-stop. Goal is 1K videos. It's not about quality anymore. I am more into quantity, so push, let's do that. Anak, we finished na the ice cream. It's okay. So now I'm gonna make the rub with some ingredients. First is onion powder. Wait. I'm gonna put some onion powder. Oops. Then garlic granules. Then I'm gonna put some paprika. Okay. Next is a little bit of cayenne chili. Then salt and pepper. I know this is not gonna be enough, so I'm gonna add more. I will double the stuff that I put. Wait, let me see. Yeah, that's not enough. I was not able to remove the membrane properly, but that's fine. And yeah, I'm just gonna first spray olive oil, and then I'm gonna sprinkle the rub. I will be doing the same thing at the back. That's it. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 2 hours. I'm gonna cover it. Okay, here it is. So I'm just gonna cover it with foil. I want to share with you something. I just learned this from TikTok, and yeah, when using a foil when baking, you have to use the dull side on top and the shiny side in front of the meat. I mean, something like that. So this is the dull side and this is the shiny side. So I have to cover it like that. Wait, I'm gonna show you after. So yeah, this is what I mean. So it will cook faster when the shiny side down, something like that. Look, brownie girl is clean. Habibu cleaned it last night, but not inside. That will take 2 hours. I'm gonna go out to the grocery first and get some bread like that, yogurt. What's that? You scare me. You scare me. The Shaun the Sheep sound. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna get some snacks, nuts, milk. What else? Yeah, I'll see what I can get. But I don't know if I can bring you guys there. I'll just go a quick errand and yeah, because I left the kids with Habibu. He is there anyway, so I can stay long, but I'm thinking about the thing I'm baking, and I need to prepare the marinade sauce. I mean the sauce. So yeah, it's almost low, but yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog inside, but not as much. Let's go quickly in the grocery. Okay, so these are the only stuff that I got for now. Let me check first what I need, and then we go home after. There are a lot of things that I need, but they are missing. Oh no, okay. I want to get porn. Let's go get porn. Ice cream. Up now. The pork is finished, but I couldn't vlog a while ago because Habibu is here. He is busy with dehydrating some yogurt. I bought some flavored yogurt and Greek yogurt, and he also made something with sugar. It's already almost 7:30 and it's time for dinner. I know you can hear the this one, our exhaust. What do you call that? Something, this thing, because it's windy upstairs. Let's go and check. I think there's sandstorm again. I hope I don't have anything else. Yeah. It's just... Oh, I think it's windy and I don't think there's sandstorm. There is sandstorm. I don't know if I can... It's all over my face. Who will go out in a sandstorm? Ouch. There's sun all over my eyes. Huh? Yeah, there's sandstorm, baby. Hmm? Yeah. At night. Your window's banging? Check the other windows if they're open. Oh no, this one. You want to see? It's not scary, but yeah, look at that.
But it looks so morning.
Mama, I want to see. I want to see, Mama.
Oh, you want to see?
It's raining. See, it's so windy.
See, it's so windy. Okay, I'm gonna cut it now. Oh my gosh. It's stuck.
This is cherry paste.
Cherry paste. How about this one?
It's cherry paste, but mixed
This
with
one,
yogurt.
babe, what's this? Cherry paste with yogurt. So yeah, the kids are already sleeping. We finished eating dinner and I wasn't able to show you, but yeah, it is so good. By the way, I forgot to tell you that after the 2 hours, I top it with chipotle barbecue sauce. Then I add some Worcestershire sauce and olive oil and garlic on top, and then I put it back in the oven without the cover, and it is so good. I love it, and Habibu loves it as well. I might do it again next time. It's my first time doing that. I just saw the recipe from cafedelights.com, pork spare ribs. So yeah, it is good. Anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog now. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again tomorrow. Good night. Love you so much, mga baby. Mwah.